My name is Kirk Elliot and I am the PRO for the Mountain View community. So we're out this afternoon with a little bit of community self-help, which I think is extremely important. I mean, we can't depend on government to get everything done. We must help ourselves, and this doesn't let the government off the hook, but we stand to be impacted negatively if our roads are not good. So the community had an outreach through its exec to Concrete and Aggregate, who donated a couple of yards of bitumen, and we also got a very healthy discount from Reliable Tool Rentals for the compactor that we are using to compact this material into the many holes in the road. Very often folks will say, why me? I'm too busy. But the truth is, it's community self-help that really keeps us going. And if we think back, I think that we have lost a lot of the essence of this. I mean, 20, 30 years ago, communities lived as one. We didn't have as many vehicles, we didn't have as much money, but we certainly lived in more harmony with each other. So this, what we are doing, is really harkening back to the essence of that, and I think that it's absolutely important that more communities get involved in self-help.